Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, park level, engage the brake, and place chocks behind the opposite wheel so the car cannot roll. Find the Toyota Avalon front jack point, usually a reinforced stamped pad or pinch weld area near the front subframe, and position your floor jack so it contacts metal, not bodywork. Once aligned, pump the jack slowly until the tire clears the ground. Make sure the contact is centered and stable. You're lifting to just enough height to insert a jack stand safely. Once one side is off the ground, position a rated jack stand under the manufacturer's support point and set it to the correct height. Raise the jack a couple inches higher than the stand so you can lower the car slowly onto the stand. This ensures the stand bears the load, not the jack. Confirm solid metal-to-metal contact and give the car a gentle push to test stability. Repeat the process on the other side if you're lifting both wheels. Leave at least one wheel on the ground for added stability, unless using 4 stands. Finish your job by raising the vehicle slightly with the jack to remove the stands. Work in reverse order. Lift, remove stand, then lower slowly. Keep the parking brake engaged while lowering and make sure tires touch the ground evenly. If you ever feel wobble or hear creaks, stop, relift the car, reposition the stand on a proper metal support, or use a different stand. Do not work under a vehicle that shifts. Once lowered, remove chocks and test. Drive carefully to confirm everything is.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.